Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making an FPV drone. So let's get started. Firstly, you need to install the bottom plate and then install some brushless motors onto it. And by default, the rear right motor will be motor 1, which will be clockwise. And the rear forward right will be motor 2, which will be counterclockwise. And rear left will be motor 3, which will be counterclockwise. And forward left will be the motor 4, which will be clockwise. Now you need to install the receiver and connect it IBUS port to any of the receiver ports onto the flight controller. After all of this is done, you need to connect your flight controller directly to your laptop via Betaflight. Now you will get this menu, and your drone orientation should be directly projected onto the software. Then keep it on a flat surface and calibrate your accelerometer. When that's done, go to receiver and select receiver mode to serial and serial receiver provided to IBUS. Then go to modes and click on arm and add range. Then select the aux1 port and then define the switch D as aux1 in your transmitter. As you can see, I have assigned switch D for arming. Then I have personally used switch C for the mode selection, and I have set angle mode as a default. If you don't know about the modes, then let me tell you that there are three basic modes available in the Betaflight. First is the angle mode, which will restrict your drone to turn to a certain angle, and it will automatically stabilize your drone once the right sticks are centered. And then there is the horizon mode. This mode allows complete 360-degree rotation of the drone and also auto stabilizes once the right sticks are centered. And then the third mode is the acro mode. This mode keeps your drone orientation fixed, and do not use it unless you are having an FPV camera, as it can be very difficult to control. Now after all of this is done, you need to install the top plate. After installing the top plate, you need to attach a nylon strap in order to hold the battery in place. Now your drone is completely finished. Now let's get to the flight test. Firstly, I'm going to arm the drone and do a quick takeoff. This drone is pretty stable and also has very high speeds, so it can easily be used for drone races and videography. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.